Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm stoked you're here. Today we've got an unboxing. Looks like it's been kind of beat up, but I think it's come a long way. I'm going to use the Evo 3.0 to get into it, but before I do, I want to give a quick shout out and thank you to all the channel members. Thank you guys. And thank any of you who come in to check out my EDC content. I appreciate it. If you're so inclined and you haven't had a chance yet, if you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, it will really help me out. So today we've got our second package from Focusworks. So as you guys may or may not know, I took the plunge and picked up this Focusworks F3 after Lefty EDC kind of, told me about them, got me, hell, he influenced me, right? So I was on their website looking at some of their lights and saw this Focusworks F2 in a different color. This is Jordy's card, Focusworksedc.com, and a little Made in Canada with a beaver and a light Focusworks sticker. So let's see what we got here. I got the distressed blue. Let's look at it next to my F3. So that's it next to my F3. Should use the same cell. And there's one in there. Guys, that is the F2 by Focusworks. Got a little different knurling here. I like the distressed blue. Let's see if it's... You can tell this is a, it's got a little different, I think this is a 4500, the Focusworks 2, with a little more yellow than the Focusworks 3. So they've got different emitters. They are different there. Very cool light. It's a little more slender in the tube than the Focusworks 3 when you look at them side by side. But yeah, I am going to, I've got some more of these batteries, these 14, let's see what they use. I picked up 2 when I got my first one. But this is a 14.5, which is what this one also uses. So I am going to set my Focusworks 3 over to the side. I'm going to put my Focusworks 2 into my pocket. I haven't even done the review on the Focusworks 3 yet, but I will, because these are my first, I guess you'd call it, diving into custom flashlights from Qlites and Rovivons and, the like. So just to give you an idea on size, let's get what I've got close here. I've got, of course, my Focusworks 3. I've got my mini Maritac or Countycom laser emitted pointer there. I have got my Qlite arc fill close by. I have got my Seeker 4, fatter and shorter. And then, of course, I've got my little Rovivon. I think this is the A24 tie, which is my longest but not fattest little Rovivon. So that gives you an idea on the size. I really like the distressing on this. I wanted the distress because I felt like that would make it wear better. Granted, I haven't whacked this one up too much yet, and the clips seem to be pretty strong in terms of bumping into stuff, right? Because I do bump into stuff quite often. Let's get this crap out of the way. But yeah, guys, that's the Focusworks F3 or F2 added to the collection of my Focusworks F3. Run on the same battery, a little different styling, different finish, and a different emitter. So I'll let you know what I think about both these guys. I'll do a review on this one probably first, and then as I continue to carry this guy and get familiar with it, I will carry it. So I appreciate each and every one of you guys always stopping by the channel. It means a lot to me. I also want to say, you know, please, if you're so inclined, look out for that guy or gal to your left. Look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. And remember, I love you all. Peace.